If you could live anywhere in the world without constraints, where would you live? Learning how to make money online or earning money from the comfort of your home or around the world only requires a stable internet connection, a computer, and most important, a blueprint. Now, it does not matter if you are from the Philippines, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Malaysia, or Singapore, even as far as Kenya or Jamaica. Whether you are a teenager or a stay-home mom, the series of strategies we will be revealing have been carefully selected and tested over a period of time. At the GeeksPulse Lab, we aim to demystify and find out precisely what works online, especially if you are starting out. Hi, my name is Wayne Fonseca from GeeksPulse. If you are watching this on Instagram or Twitter, do head over to our blog at geekpulse.com, where we will reveal the roadmap. If you are watching this on YouTube, we highly encourage you to stay up to date with our latest research and test results that we will be sharing. So do subscribe and hit the alert button to be notified. I'm going to keep my story short before diving into what it takes to make money online this year. It's been 13 years since 2006 when I started my journey online and went through the whole 9 yards of learning how to make money online with a proven system to create passive income that could virtually create financial freedom so I can live the life I was born to live. Unfortunately, I have been beaten down, I failed terribly, and was scammed online. I never did tell my family about the money I blew away on both online and offline, signing up for training courses and attending workshops that led to nothing. But I never gave up, and I picked up the pieces and continued to learn as I go, in the hopes that one day I will be able to make an impact in the world, one that frees any individual who is willing to do what it takes to make it happen. This was where I met Manish, who is a technology genius, a friend, and someone who I teamed up with at GeekPulse was born. The rest, as they say, is history. In this video, I will cover the top 5 principles I learned from MJ DeMarco, the author of the Millionaire Fastlane book. So without further ado, let's dive in. The Millionaire Fastlane is a yellow brick road paved in psychology and mathematics that puts the odds of massive wealth in your favor. Now, there are 5 laws that you need to be aware before you start. Number 1, identify a need about what people care about. And don't be cynical about doing what you love and the money will follow. Unless there is a market for it, then the above is true. Number 2, entry into the marketplace. Listen, if getting into a business is as simple as paying $200 for a distributor kit, there is no entry barriers, the opportunity should be passed. If you could create an eBay business in less than 10 minutes, guess what? So could millions of other people enter the market too. The early adopters, eBay and the eBay founders, were the one who made the money. Number 3, a system in place to automate the entire process gives you control. Things like create an MLM company, but don't join them. Offer an affiliate programs, but don't join them. Sell stock, but don't buy stocks. Offer drop shipping, but don't use drop shipping. Sell licenses, but don't buy them. Number 4, the ability to scale a system is leverage. Now, the famous Irvin's salted egg potato chips and fish skin, he owns a restaurant and found that people came to eat his homemade chips while they were waiting for their food. Instinctively, he ventured to produce these homemade chips in packets which he just sold by boxes, giving him scalability, which is leverage. And number 5, the leverage of time. Can my business be automated and systemized to operate while I am absent? Or how can I get this business to operate exclusive of my time? Billionaire Mark Cuban recently wrote in his blog that it doesn't matter how many times you strike out in business, because you only have to be right once, and that once can set you up for life. In other words, be the business of home runs. When the fast lane changes your life, stop by and tell us in the comment section below. Now, in the next video, I will be covering into the 7 modules of this blueprint. Manish will also be showing you his screen for you to watch exactly how he implement this stuff online and much more. Remember to stay tuned on our YouTube channel by subscribing and pressing that bell for a timely notification. With that, take care GP fans. I'll see you soon.